Today at Hello Annie, I'm making a delicious rigatoni pasta with eggplant, sweet tomatoes, some spicy Italian sausage, and creamy burrata that melts beautifully into an amazing casserole. We start off with peeling and trimming the eggplant. We're gonna slice it into 1/2 inch thick slices. Then chop into 1/2 inch dices. I like to discard the pieces that have too many seeds. Next, slice your shallot and then finely mince the garlic. Let's get cooking. Place a large saucepan over medium heat and drizzle olive oil. When the oil is hot, add the eggplant. Season with salt and pepper. And you want to stir them right away so the pieces become coated with the oil. Let them cook, stirring occasionally for about 8 minutes. If using sausage, you can add them now. Of course, you can make this dish completely vegetarian, which is also delicious. Carefully turn them over and brown on all sides. While this is cooking, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. I like to add a little oil to prevent the pasta from sticking. Add the pasta and cook accordingly to the package instruction or until al dente. Let's go back to finish our sauce. Our heat is still on medium low and you want to carefully stir our sausages and the eggplant. If it sticks a little bit on the bottom, just add a little bit more oil. Then add your onions and the garlic. Stirring occasionally until they take on a little color. Add the vinegar and the tomato paste and let it saute for a minute or so it can release its oils. I like to add tomato paste because it adds that rich depth of flavor to the sauce. Next, add the tomatoes. I like to use whole peeled San Marzano tomatoes. If you want, you can either squeeze them in your hands to break them apart, or you can use a spatula and cut them just like so. We're gonna let the sauce simmer and seasoning it with salt and pepper. I added another spoon of balsamic vinegar. At this point, if you want to give this dish a little heat, you could add some dried chili flakes. That's up to you. We're gonna let the sauce simmer for about 15 minutes on medium low, and you wanna stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. To balance out the acidity, I like to add a good pinch of sugar and a little bit of the pasta water. Stir that right in, and let's grab some fresh basil from the garden. Smells amazing. Okay, so I rinsed the basil, and let's tear some of the basil right into the sauce. You can see that the tomatoes are taking on this beautiful red color by now. Stir to combine. Check to see if it needs more salt and pepper. And we're ready to add our drained pasta to our sauce. and we're gonna stir to combine. And let's finish off this dish. You can add now your fresh burrata cheese and top with more fresh basil leaves. And tear it up a bit. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil and add some chili flakes if you like. And snap a quick picture for Instagram. Let's dig in. The burrata has begun to melt. It's nice and stringy, has a beautiful milky and creamy taste, and is just perfect with the tomatoes and the eggplant. All you need is some warm crusty bread and a good wine. Enjoy!